This is our nursing console. It's revolutionised the way that nurses work within the hospital. The nursing console happens at 7:30, 8 o'clock every morning, and it involves the nursing leadership across the hospital. What we tend to do is focus in, first of all, on what the key messages are, and also what our incidences and complaints have been. So that gives us a heads up on any sort of governance or incident issues that may have happened the day before or over the weekend. So that's really helpful. Then the nurses go on to discuss what their staffing issues are, and the ComCell has made a huge difference in the way that the nurses actually communicate with each other in the morning, what those issues may be, and then from that they're able to flex the staff accordingly. So there are conversations happening between the nurses as to what the staffing requirements are, and then they flex between each ward and department. Because of that, it's significantly reduced our bank and agency and overtime. What we have introduced, which has made a huge impact on nursing, is our resource board over here. We've had this resource board now up and running for about a week, and it's amazing. It's made a huge difference. One of our service improvement leads, James Cooper, has been instrumental in putting this together for us, and has been used successfully in industry, and so we've adopted it in nursing. And as you can see, each of the wards put down what their requirement is, so what is required, and then they confirm it on the day or the day before what their staffing levels are. As you can see, green is great, that's fine, we're staffed, and the red indicates that we have got staffing problems in those areas. So at the nursing ComCell, we address those, and the idea is that we forward plan. So we work with our bed management team and our bookings team to make sure that we forward plan. So we look at activity, and we look at the types of patients that are coming into the hospital. This improves productivity and efficiency, but also it makes sure that we have a quality service and a safe service. And by doing this, within a week, we've shown that we've reduced our target, our KPI, which was running at about 170 at the beginning of July, and we've now got a KPI of 110. So we're actually bang on target, and I absolutely believe that this resource plan has made a huge difference. The wards have also adopted this way of working, so on their ward ComCell they're doing exactly the same. But also they've adopted the 5 Cs. They've all done 5 Cs in their ward areas, made a fantastic improvement because now everywhere is lean. They can actually utilise the workspace and the work areas differently. It makes it more efficient. But also using their ComCells on a day-to-day basis, they're able to, again, to plan. They're able to look at their incidences, they're able to look at the governance, so it makes it much safer, and it gives me the heads up as a senior nurse on a day-to-day basis of what the issues are.